Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see how to create an AI image using an text to image generator called Leonardo AI. So let's get started. So go to leonardo.ai and you need to create an account. I already created an account. For that, you need to click on create an account. You can either sign up with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, or you can use your other email address. I already signed up. I'm gonna launch the app. I'm gonna select Google. After signing in, you can see this is the user interface of Leonardo AI. So we can see multiple features over here. You can do image generation and you can use real-time canvas. You can create and transform your sketches in real time. Also you have canvas editor and you can also convert your image into motion, and also you can see the real-time generation is also available, and you have the universal upscaler. In this video we are going to see how to generate images using Leonardo AI. So you need to click on image generation, and this is the UI, and you can see this is the prompt box from where we can type in the prompt and click on generate to generate our images. And you can see different settings over here. On the left side we have number of images to 1 to 4, and you have photoreal alchemy, and these both two are only available in paid versions. You can use prompt magic as well. Also you can use transparency. The public images is already turned on. It cannot be turned off since we are using free version. And you can see different dimensions you can choose from here. So I'm going to choose 1024 by 768 dimensions. You can also adjust the dimension manually. So if you want, you can increase the dimension. I am gonna leave it as it is. You can also see using 1024 by 768, we have this little icon over here. It is saying the selected model or have been trained at 1024 by 576. So it is good to render in 1024 by 576. So I'm gonna maybe change that to 576. So you can see it's gone. So you can see in the fine-tuned model Leonardo Kino XL, which is trained in 1024 by 576. So if we select that fine-tuned model, we need to use that dimensions to get better results. Guidance scales means if we increase the guidance scale, it will give results close to the prompt. If you want to have the tiling, you can turn on tiling as well. Let's try to generate one image. So I'm gonna type in a prompt. Let's type in cat in astronaut clothing floating in the space. So I'm going to use this prompt, and you can choose different models. You can see Leonardo XL, Leonardo Kino XL, Vision XL. So these are the different models. You have also XTXL 0.9, 1.0, Stable Diffusion 1.5, and Stable Diffusion 2.1. So you can select any models from here. So I'm going to leave it to Leonardo Kino XL. And you have a style, you have Leonardo style or none. I'm going to select Leonardo style. You can so you can also add elements, like if you click on that, you can add LoRa. If you want your image in 3D look, you can select that. And if you want in coloring book style, you can select this. So these are the different LoRa's. You can add those LoRa's as well. For example, this LoRa is recently added, Sparkle Core. So you can select anyone from here and click on confirm to add those LoRa's as well. Leave it as it is. So you can also add a negative prompt. Turn on add negative prompt, and you can add negative prompt as well. For the prompt, you can see this is a simple prompt. So if you want to give more depth to the prompt, you can copy this prompt and select prompt generation, and in this box you can paste it and click on ideate. So it will generate a number of prompts selected. For example, I selected 4. So if we click ideate, it will give 4 different prompts based on the given prompt. So you have 100 prompts per month. Right now I have 66 remaining. So let's see. I'm going to click on ideate. So you can see these are the different prompts suggested by Leonardo AI. So I'm going to generate all these. Let's try to generate all these. Generate, 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 and generate. So you can see the result. This is using the first prompt. So you can see the result, and this is using the second prompt. And this one, you can see this one looks great. So this one gives some toony vibes. So this one looks great as well. Let's try simple prompt before a cat. So this time I'm gonna use my own prompt. Let's see how it's coming out. So you can see it is giving pretty much the same result. Now let's try with the different models. So I'm gonna select a Leonardo diffusion, and I'm gonna generate, and again I'm gonna select Leonardo Vision XL. Let's generate using that prompt, that model as well. Then I'm gonna select XTXL 1.0. Let's see. So you can see the same prompt in Leonardo Diffusion XL, and this is using Leonardo Vision XL. Both are pretty much same, and this is using XTXL 1.0. So it is giving some different results using XTXL 1.0. So you can choose which model suits for your image, and you can also add different elements to get your desired result. Let's try 3D sculpt for example. So you can see the element is added, and if you have weight 1, you can reduce it to give weightage of this 3D sculpt. You can, if you reduce it, it will give a less 3D sculpt look. Let's try with weight 1, and I'm gonna change back to Leonardo Kino XL. Let's try to generate. So you can see the look. So you can see the 3D sculpt look of that given prompt using Leonardo Kino XL model and with element 3D sculpt. So you can also use different elements from here. Also for models, you can also use other models that are created by the community. So you can see all the models from here which are available in Leonardo, and you can also use community models from here. So these are the models created by the community. So you can use models from here, like you can see the little hero model from here. So you can use the same model and generate your image. So that's it. This is how we can generate AI images using Leonardo AI. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and bye.